I'm Ruth, and this is my husband Walt. We have really appreciated the help we've gotten here, and I just got hearing aids before Thanksgiving, so we're learning together about all the possibilities.
Now, we started coming here when I was getting a free checkup yearly.
Shawn has been great to work with. She's very understanding and helpful about it, and one thing we really like is that we can come whenever we need to get appointments, and it's not an additional charge every time you come in, so it's kind of a package deal, which helps.
When I first got the hearing aids, it was like music, that some things I wasn't hearing before were there. And then the new ones that have the Bluetooth, you don't miss out phone calls because they come directly to the hearing aids. Ruth uses for music, but I use it mostly for
the grandchildren have
phone
noticed
call.
he's hearing it through his hearing aid. You're answering that through your hearing aid, aren't you, Grandpa? Yeah. One of the things that encouraged me to go ahead and get hearing aids is that it's one of the few things you can really do to help avoid dementia, so that's worth avoiding. And I do like being able to hear music and get phone calls on my hearing aids. So.